What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about XYO. We did have major increases in value back in January. However, right now it has been consistently dropping in value over the last about week or so, as you guys can clearly see here. And yes guys, in the last 24 hours it has dropped just about 3% in value, and it's currently trading at just about half a cent. So we're going to be looking at, is it still a crypto worth investing into? And if so, is it time to buy the dip right now? Should you wait for it to drop further, or should you sell it, or simply hold on to it? So we're going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view, and also looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023. How high can XYO actually go, and is it a crypto still worth investing into? And also looking at both buyers and sellers and short-term and long-term holders point of view. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the Coinbase website. The market is down just over a percentage in the last 24 hours, and so is XYO as well. In the last hour itself, it has more or less fluctuated. Over the last day, 2% down. Over the week, 11%, as you can see, consistently dropping in value. And over the month, 15% down, guys. So yeah, so far it hasn't been too great for XYO, but there's been overall for the whole year is 71% down. But we can see here at some points of the year they did go through major increases in value, such as in early January where it went up to 1 cent, but right now it's literally trading at half its value. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see that the trading volume has gone down by 22%, and the trading volume is only $627,000, which is not that much. But yeah, so far it hasn't been too great, guys. So let's move on to the candlestick pattern chart to do some more price predictions. And we are currently looking at the daily chart, and we do have the MACD indicator on the screen right now, which we are going to be using to do some price prediction. And at the top here, we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of XYO, which is here in purple at 0.005974. However, we can see it trading at slightly lower value here in green at 0.005421, meaning it's not performing too well and lower than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer as usual. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and orange line slightly looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction, meaning minimal gains in value are expected over the coming 12 to 14 hours. So towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, I am expecting XYO to go for a minimal increase in value, so potentially heading up to 0.0056 to 0.0057 cents is what I'm expecting. Again, it is going to be very minimal, guys, nothing too crazy, and do expect red candlesticks in between as well. So it's going to be both mixtures of up and down, but the overall outcome seems to slightly be more on the positive side. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, in the next couple of days, what can we see here? We're literally looking flat out, guys, not looking bullish or bearish. It's flat out going in a straight line, meaning an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected from XYO over the coming 7 to 8 days. So by mid to end next week, I'm expecting XYO to be more or less trading about just about half a cent, potentially dropping down a little bit more, but more or less trading at a very close figure to where it is at the moment. So again, do expect more drops in value. But again, guys, that doesn't mean we're going to be consistently hitting red days for the next 7-8 days. Even though it has been over the last week and been consistently dropping in value, I'm expecting a little bit of green candles here and there in between little pumps, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the negative side once again over the next couple of weeks. Sorry, next week or so. Now, Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? More red candlesticks are likely to appear. As you can see, the blue and the orange line are both looking bearish, heading towards the negative direction. This means more drops in value are expected from XYO over the next 6 to 8 weeks. So let's say mid to late April 2023, I am expecting XYO to be more or less dropping in value. However, that is according to the graph. My expectations, my predictions on XYO is an overall minimal increase in value. We should be heading over the 1 cent target by mid-April and potentially heading to about 0.012 to 0.014 cents by late April and early May 2023. However, you guys know this depends on how the crypto market performs. For example, if there's a major crash or a major bull run or a price pump, these things can have a major impact on the value of XYO, but there is a potential pump coming soon over the next 2 to 3 weeks is what my expectations are as of right now. However, if you guys want regular updates on XYO to keep you guys updated, keep you guys in the loop on what's going on, my predictions and so on, comment down below and I'll try and make XYO updates on a more regular basis. But yeah, so far so good for XYO over the long term, but not the short term, as I am expecting it to drop further. For those of you guys who are looking to invest into the crypto right now, personally guys, I would wait. And again, as I mentioned in a couple of videos before, my way of investing when it comes to this kind of situation is I use dollar cost averaging, also known as DCA, where, for example, let me give you guys a quick explanation. You've got $100. Instead of investing the $100 right now into XYO, what I would do is split it across 10 days. As you can see guys, $10 every single day for the next 10 days, meaning $100, or $10 every single day for the next 20 days if you've got $200, or you can do $20 for 5 days, whatever you guys want to do. But yeah, that is called dollar cost averaging, just to average the price out in case it does drop. Then you know that's good for you because you're not investing the $100 right now straight away. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on XYO guys. What I want you guys to do now in the comment section down below is let me know, when are you guys expecting XYO to be hitting the 1 cent target? Yes, I know it did hit it earlier back in January, about 2 months ago. It did hit the 1 cent target, but obviously it's dropped so much right now. When is it likely to hit the 1 cent target again? Let me know in the comment section down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. But yeah, that is pretty much it guys for today's video. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year guys. And at the end of the day, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash the subscribe button and like the video. And I catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. And also comment down below if you guys have any other cryptocurrencies in mind that you guys want me to cover on this channel. Let me know and I'll be more than happy to do that for you guys. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.